hours of deliberations, the committee restated its determination to defend the naira, even in the face of decreasing foreign exchange inflows, but warned that it may be forced to raise the cash reserve requirement to 100% if the reserves fail to improve.
Those actions have been taken also indicate the fact that the central bank and the monetary authorities are willing to do everything within their powers to ensure that the currency is not left to be devalued.
The committee is also planning to implement the cashless policy in all parts of the country, as well as launch a nationwide campaign to promote financial inclusion and discourage money laundering and fraud.
It's in the interest of this country to maintain that stability by keeping the interest rate stable. But while that is the case, it is not something we must pursue at all costs. That doesn't mean that we are saying that we are no longer able to defend. No. And I don't want you to get away with that impression. What we are saying is that we are mindful of what is happening all over the world.
But we encourage greater consumer lending. Now, that initiative has basically come to the stage where it has to be launched. And so one of the agreements of the Bankers Committee is that that initiative will be launched on Friday, the 14th of February, which is this Friday. You know, hopefully this will be on the banks to be able to strengthen their KYC processes. It is a very strong tool to combat anti-money laundering and, of course,
on the need for everybody to have a bank account. We call it financial inclusion. We want to make it simple. We want to make it possible for everybody to have a bank account, and we believe it's possible, and we want to work as an industry to make this achievable.
As you're all aware, the first phase, the pilot phase, was done in Lagos about 2 years ago, and then last year we implemented in 6 other states. This include Abia, Anambra, Ogun, Rivers, Kano, and FCT. And from the success we've recorded in those areas, we have now decided as an industry to move it to other states in the country. In other words, by June 30th, July 1, we're going live in all the states of the Federation with the cashless.
The Bankers Committee is made up of the Central Bank of Nigeria, licensed deposit banks, and discount houses operating in the country.